about our logo and its importance.
Hi, sorry, the voice is very feeble, but I guess you are asking me the question as you called and said. Am I audible to everybody there? Because
Yes.
I can't. So today you made me feel like what probably Amitabh Bachchan felt in Silsila, looking at himself and saying, you know, देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए. So coming to the fact that you are asking about the R logo, the realtor. So we've already spoken about the definition of a realtor, and that is where NAR Global has run multiple campaigns that said that's who we are. Who are we? We are the realtors. And what do we do? So I think the realtor logo is basically for somebody who takes on a membership at NAR in the US. NAR, National Association of Realtors, is the parent association and it's a global organization. Now, by becoming a member of your association, you become a member of NAR India. However, by the virtue of becoming a member of NAR India, you do not become an automatic member of NAR Global. You have to become a member of NAR in the US by a separate application, and it costs you about $100 at the beginning to join and then $75 for renewal every year, and it connects you to a 1.4 million realtors globally, most of them in the US and in multiple other countries. So that's a lot of exchange program, and people who are interested in the international business, it makes a lot of sense for realtors to be connected. Our logo is not just a badge you wear. You get access to multiple systems, including a lot of trainings, including conventions, including discounts, and including multiple online resources, books, and tools that you can probably spend a lifetime in learning on, which are handy and available. And Tarun has been working very hard over the last 2.5 years onto it. And since the last year, we have had the largest increase in NAR memberships for the realtor. And I think the R logo should be worn proudly by every Indian realtor too. So let's keep progressing towards it.
Thank you, Samir. We'll take this forward. I think shortly you can see quite a members from APPC joining the...
Before you take me off the screen, I would like to acknowledge Tarun Bhai in his speech. He specifically mentioned me by acknowledging that India is made up of most of the youth, and I felt very, very happy that he was acknowledging me. Swapnil had some fantastic insights. Shiva has been doing some fantastic job at the background, and obviously Sumant has initiated a lot of programs which are taking shape. But there is one thing on One Nation, One License that I would like to address every realtor in this country, especially NAR India members. The government looks at statistics. The government looks at movement. So whether it's social media or any other campaign, guys, start supporting it, because nobody, not 3 or 4 or 10 leaders are going to come and change it for us, but it is all of us who are going to change it for ourselves. So the voice for One Nation, One License has to grow. Each one has to take responsibility to reach out to 10 to another 100 brokers and realtors to join in unison for that voice. It's only when the larger voices are heard that the government takes credible note of it and brings a change. So One Nation, One License has got to be an agenda, a movement, a momentum, and a focus for us going forward to get it for all our brethren and sisters in this fraternity. Thank you.
So one India, one license. We all strive to do that. So we take a oath now that we get to that path now and move forward. So coming to Chennai, how is the road looking ahead of Chennai for Chennai Realtors, Nazir?
Chennai is different always. It's a conservative market, not like other metro cities, other cities. It's Chennai always conservative. So we need a tireless, tireless effort for the same in order to overcome the difficulties. And a couple of our leaders, they mentioned about brand promotion and social media participation, as well as Mr. Swapnil mentioned about Maharera. They're set a tone in many aspects. I'm sure from Chennai, I mean, across country, they are going to implement. So time has come, we have to gear up ourselves. We need more focus on, what do you call it, technology adoption is a need of the hour. And from the APPC point of view, we emphasize on new technology as well as, I mean, from APPC, we have circulated every month
A newsletter.
newsletter. I'm sure, and I mean, the rest of the members would have gone through all the details. It is not just a magazine. With all inputs from stalwarts, we have calculated and collected and circulated. So my request to all the realtors from Chennai point of view, please adapt yourself for the new technology as well as whenever possible to meet the, what do you call, we need any kind of support from the association point of view as well as from NR India point of view. We need your support in order to overcome the difficulties. Why I am saying all these things, not like other cities where from more than 2 decades, the support from the builders point of view is always there for the rest of the city realtors. When it comes to Chennai, I think builders, given a support from, I think from 2012 or 13 onwards only. Even now, compared to, other city developers and our own Chennai developers, it's a huge difference. When it comes to primary market, there are people are there, from the builder point of view, there is a huge, demand is there, support is there from the other city developers. So the reason, we have to see the reason first. You have to, from our market point of view, it's our duty to inform our own city developers. Then only they will recognize it. You can't sit and relax, posting, as he mentioned rightly, posting listing in a portal and expect business to, which is going to be tough actually, because there are newcomers in the market now. I am sure in our realtor fraternity, I have seen most of them are 40 plus, 50 plus in fact. So we need a more young, there are young realtors coming up now. As he mentioned, Mr. Suman, we have to adopt the new technology. In social media, we need our presence as a realtor point of view, as well as association point of view, as well as national association realtors point of view. We have to focus on our own, otherwise we will be exit. There is no doubt about it. So Chennai, again, in all aspects, we need more networking between the members. I agreed from the APPC, we have initiated 4 years back, since inception of APPC, we have announced as a networking, best networking award for the members. Same thing will happen, will be in more, I request all the members to do more networking among the members and also with the rest of the realtors. Anything else?
Thank you, panelists, and it's time to felicitate our guests from NAR India. So, yeah, please.
See, no market is conservative, Nazir bhai. See, I realized one thing after my tenure as a president of NAR India. I think it's been a wonderful 2.5-year journey for me as a president and as a president. I realized one thing: wherever the broker is proactive, whichever market it may be, the markets are performing exceptionally well. You look at Delhi NCR, the markets have expanded because the broker's presence is felt there. You look at Mumbai markets, because it's expanded because the brokers have, presence is felt there. Because see, a broker is a true ambassador of any market. Developers build property, but it's marketed by a broker. A broker sells a location, and when he sells the location, it is creating whether the customer purchases a property or not. He's selling a location. That selling of a location is creating curiosity among a customer. The customer may not buy a property in your property, but he may buy a property with some other builder. But that sound, of a broker, his presence. If you see today, if there are 10 advertisements in any locality, 10 brokers start listing in only one locality, or 10 developers advertising in one locality, the market momentum grows there. Because people are suddenly curious why there is sudden development in this area, why suddenly people are listing a lot of properties in that area. That curiosity starts. So it all depends on how we see the market. I think actually Chennai has tremendous potential because it has one of the best infrastructures, because in the south it is considered to be the largest city once. It can still be the largest city because it has a lot of industries, a lot of international MNCs are showing still interest in Chennai. So only thing is you need to believe that the markets are going to do well. You need to be confident in communicating to not just your customers in Chennai market, you need to expand your spheres. So you need to start selling Chennai in Bangalore, you need to start selling Chennai, not the property, start selling Chennai in other cities. Right. Because unless and until you do it, you can't expand your markets. So time for you to think big and start actually promoting your city. So at some point of time, the markets are going to do wonderfully well for you.
I think we should give a big round of applause for all our panelists. They have energized. I know we have more questions, but because of lack of time, we need to, I think we have to respect that. Thanks a lot to the panelists, and it is great.
Virtual event later.
And we are not going to miss them. We will be shortly having a virtual event with all these leaders here. I think we'll cover more with them, and they will also spend a lot of time with us. So we're looking forward to.
Thank you all the panel members for spending your valuable time. Now on behalf of APPCC, we would like to give a small memento. First and foremost, I request Mr. Tarun Bhatia to receive the memento.